Whoa, that phone torturing is pretty brutal, huh? Hey, welcome to this episode of White Talk. That phone you just saw getting put through all those harsh tests is our star for today. But there are tons of colors. The Honor X80 Pro Max. Yep, another Pro Max. Seems this rename and refresh brings a hefty boost in product power.
As for looks, it swaps the last gen star ring for this Oreo-style camera array. Could this mean rival phones will switch things up later this year too? So, that camera decoration! We took a look!
It has just one camera. Yep, you heard that right. One, which for this phone's market niche is actually quite common. And in our hands, we have gathered all four colors for you. This one in my hand is black armor. And there is also the moonlit white one. Their back covers are made of composite board, while the other two are vegan leather. It has up 1, 2, 3, 4. Which of these four do you like best? Drop a comment or damn you. This Vitality orange two-tone design, yeah, I find it quite distinctive. A very pale yellow and an orange piece pieced together. It feels so youthful and energetic. Plus this lightning red back cover, paired with that gold nameplate logo. Hey, you know what? It really has that high-end device vibe, much like its Honor Magic V series. This time the whole device feels quite comfy to hold. A massive 11,000 mAh battery. Yep, you heard that right. 11,000 mAh. If that is even bigger than your power-up bank, drop a 1 in the comments. Its whole unit weighs just around 203 grams, and its bezel sports a glossy metal-like finish. It has a nice feel, but does pick up fingerprints a bit. So for this video, given its market niche, let us check out aspects folks might care about: battery life, drop resistance, and waterproofing. So how well does this Honor X80 Pro Max perform? First up, its most standout feature, battery life. Now, the Snapdragon 6 Gen 5 processor, yeah, for gaming, it just cannot meet our database 5.0 test standard. Thus, in our mini app, we marked it in red to flag that huge 11,000 mAh battery. In the White Talk database 5.0's 3-hour mixed-use battery test, it held 82% charge time for first place with its own Honor Power 2. Switch to 5G 6-hour heavy-use battery test complete. It still had 50% battery left in our extreme endurance test. It lasted a grand total of 13 hours and 15 minutes before it shut down. Yep, you heard that right. That word long deserves to be blasted across the screen. It is shot straight to the top of our tested model's battery life chart. Plus, the Honor X80 Pro Max also supports up to 19 watts wired fast charging and 27 watts reverse charging. Yep, paired with that 10,000 plus capacity, it can double as a power bank itself. Okay, now let us check out the drop test. Let us start with some basics. 1.8 meter office carpet and 1.8 meter wood plank. Drops from the screen's front side and frame all posed no issues. Let us crank it up a notch and drop it on the subway's 1.5 meter granite tiles.
Wow, that sound was so crisp. Not a single scratch.
Now let us mimic a super unexpected real-world scenario. Say you are going downstairs, you pull out your phone from your pocket, then oops, it slips out totally by accident and kick the phone down the stairs. Let us check it out. The back cover and screen are pretty much unchanged, but there are some minor dents on the frame. Then we did a 1.5 meter drop onto non-slip tiles plus a 1.8 meter granite drop test from various angles. In the end, all that did was add a few more dents to the Honor X80 Pro Max's frame. Overall function remained totally normal. And now back to that landscaping stone beat from earlier.
Now, time to witness a miracle. This screen has no cracks whatsoever, but if you view it against the light, it does have a few tiny scratches, though they are super faint.
Next up, the first ever White Talk phone soccer match for entertainment only.
Can you believe it? This is soccer! How can you not love soccer?
Tops up the waterproof test this time. Honor supports top-tier dust waterproofing IP68, IP69, and IP69K. We tossed it straight into 1.2 meters of water and let it soak for a full 24 hours, one whole day and night.
Okay, let us pop this phone in 1.2 meters deep. Okay, and right beside me, I have an Honor X80 Pro Max with 100% battery. Then via ADB command line, we set its lock screen timeout to 2 days. It is a phone meant just for timing. Okay, let us get started. Okay, 24 hours are up. And this timer phone still has 68% battery left. Okay, so next up, I will give it a call to see if this phone got ruined from the soak. See that? The phone screen lit up inside that tank. So let us pull it out and see if it is broken.
emergency. Dial 2072. Please do not push. For traffic patience.
Lastly, we ran a full suite of tests, and this phone showed zero functional flaws. Honor truly maxed out its waterproof specs this time. Plus, the Honor X80 Pro Max supports multi-liquid protection, so we by accident dunked it into a ramen cup filled with cooked noodles, cola, soda, and juice. After a round of Honor of Kings, I recalled my phone was in there. Okay, let us grab it now. Huh? Plus, during our time outdoors, this screen's quality held up nicely too. 1.5K 120Hz scrolling feeds or viewing those fresh snaps in bright sun all look super clear. Our tests show a max manual full screen brightness of 830 nits. Under bright light, full screen peak brightness topped 2000 nits, while its 10% window brightness shot straight past 10,000 nits. Right, I think you all should spam that in the chat. Plus, the Honor X80 Pro Max's screen, much like the Magic V6, supports AI HDR. When playing back 1080p or higher resolution video, it uses AI to compute HDR for stronger light and dark contrast. For dimming, our tests show that at default mid-high brightness, it is 120Hz one-pulse DC-like dimming. At low brightness, it uses 3840Hz ultra-high frequency PWM dimming with sleep-friendly display and defocus eye protection, motion soothing, and other Oasis eye care tech. Plus, as you might have noticed, its front screen bezels are quite well managed, and for this price range, it even boasts pixel-level dynamic shift anti-burning tech. For a phone in this class, the screen quality is quite Pro Max Plus. On the system side, this phone also adds an AI adaptive grip feature. So when the call comes in like this, if you're holding it with your left hand, hey, a quick call button pops up on the phone's left side. This way you do not have to shift your fingers to tap that call floaty at the very top. Answer it easily. Vice versa, when held in your right hand, it pops up on the right, much like that smart grip posture feature next to it. Hope to see more apps adapted for this down the line. For the full Honor X80 Pro Max specs, we will put them in a chart for you. No need to read them out one by one. For this upgrade on a scale of 1 to 5, what score would you give it? Drop a comment. Alright. Plus, it comes with a 2-year screen replacement service for breakage. Now that inspires some real confidence. So if you accidentally drop it and damage the screen, you get a free screen swap within 2 years, which lets you use it day to day with much greater peace of mind. Besides the outdoor scenarios we just covered, this setup is also quite well suited for users who do not demand high performance. So what upgrades do you think this price range model could use? Okay, that is all for this one. If you found it helpful, remember to hit that like button down below. All real-world test data shown in this video has been updated right away in our White Talk Data mini program. You can check out White Talk unbiased real-world reviews for free anytime. See you in our next video. Bye bye.